Hello traders. Hopefully you are fine. Today I am going to talk about the most popular and the widely used indicators MACD. I don't want to talk about what is MACD, but want to discuss about how to use MACD in efficient way. We'll use MACD as a navigator, not as an entry indicator. MACD will help us to identify the trend and it will help us to catch up strong and weak momentum. Before that I want to remind you my MACD rules. The most important rule is never trade with the first MACD zero line crossing as a trend reversal. It may trap you in wrong direction. Use any other confirmation tools like moving average or RSI to determine the actual trend by retest and rejection. It's very important. Look at the chart. I am using MACD as a trend navigator tools and moving average as a confirmation tools. The Euro USD H1 chart shows the MACD zero level crossing in this area. But it doesn't give us confirmation, it just showing us possible reversal or continuation possibilities. Let's see the price just make a false move and again dropped with the trend direction. Here MACD also changed its direction. Let's add in confirmation tools moving average 50 and get rid of this trap movements. In this price MACD just cross the zero line and give us sign for trend change. But we'll not get it without confirmation with moving average retest and rejection. Here you see MACD zero line crossing and price and AMP, moving average crossing happened almost same time. Then price raise a bit higher and fall it back to the moving average and nicely rejected. When price start rally continue to trend, we can understand the actual trend direction. Similarly we can use RSI and other indicators as a confirmation of MACD's trend navigation. Let's talk about the next rule. When in an uptrend MACD line stand above signal line, it shows the strength of the trend. This means the trend is pretty strong and you can hold the trend until price starts a sideways or MACD and signal line again cross together. In this way we can maximize our profit by understanding the trend strength. Next rule is, when in an uptrend MACD and signal line cross against the trend it doesn't mean uptrend is over. It mean market is in correction and wait for the continuation. Never trade against MACD direction what if it gives you thousands of pips. We know, trend is friend. Good luck. Happy trading.